Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to allow Google Chrome through Windows Firewall. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Firstly, click on window icon. So after that you will see search option. So search here allow an app through Windows Firewall. So after that you will see allow apps and features. So search here Chrome. So you can see there is no any Chrome. So after that, if you did not find here, you will see change setting option. So just click on it, and then you will see allow another app. So just click on it and then click on browse. So search the app which you want to allow. So here is the Chrome, so I will click on it. So after that, click on open options. So after that, click on add. So you can see Google Chrome is added. So just click on it and then click on OK. So guys, in this way you can allow Google Chrome through Windows Firewall. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.